Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the very popular Christmas song, The First Noel, written by Davies Gilbert in 1817. Very easy song to play. In my description below there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart to this lesson that I'll be using. So let's get started. The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, Noel, born is the King of Israel. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Oh, very easy song to play. We'll be using the chords of G, and then C, and then A minor 7, and E minor. Okay, so that's all the chords that we will be using for this song. So quick review on how to play the chords. G major, place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then your pinky finger, finger number 4 on the very 1st string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. That's G major. Okay, C major, you want to place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, play all strings but this very top E string. That's C major. Okay, A minor 7, it's just like your A minor shaped chord, but you'll simply lift off of your 3rd finger. So you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string and place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, strum all strings but the very top E string. A minor 7. Again, this is A minor, just lift off of this 3rd finger. That makes A minor 7. Okay, and then the last chord is E minor. You play the E, you have this 1st finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, just lift off of it, play all strings open. That's E minor. So you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. Very full open E minor chord. Okay, and if we look at the strumming pattern on this song, it's similar to the previous lesson of Silent Night, where we're playing it, it's in 3/4 time, so there's 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Simply playing a strumming pattern of down and up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, and I'm emphasizing the first beat, or beat number 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, if we look at the chord progression above, I'll just kind of talk you through the song, the verse. The first Noel, C major, back to G, C, back to G, A minor 7, G, in fields where they, C, G, back to C, G, A minor 7, G. Okay, very easy verse to play, and the chorus, and we'll look at that. chord progression, G, C, G, and then a quick E minor, back to G, C, G, okay? And we'll play this chord progression through a couple of times. Okay, Noel, G, Noel, C, Noel, Noel, G, A minor. Born is the King of Israel. Then play through one more time. Noel, G, C, back to G, A minor, G, C, G. And then it's got a couple more verses, okay? Okay, if you like this lesson and would like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. And if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate everyone joining in today, and I wish everyone a very Merry, blessed Christmas. So have a great day. God bless you.